Hello guys, welcome to my maintenance vlog, and what I'm going to be doing in this vlog is actually my hair, my nails, and some skincare kidogo, because we need to be looking all cute. So I'm going to be using this hair to do some Coco twists. Yeah, the trending Coco twists. I don't know if this hair is going to be enough, but it has to, like, for God's sake, it has to. I don't have any other pack. This is the only pack, and I'm hoping and praying that's going to be enough. And for now, actually, I need to wash this hair, and I'm going to be using this shampoo. It's the Bamsi Apple Fresh shampoo, and I'll come back to you guys when my hair is washed, clean, and when we are doing this. Yeah, we have to do that. As I do that, I'm going to be watching All American. Guys, have you watched All American movie? Like, if you have not watched that movie, it's a series, by the way, for the series lovers. Oh, it's so sweet. It made me cry, especially the season 6 episode, I think 14, when Olivia was getting proposed. Oh my god, it's so sweet. Anyone who is looking for a movie to watch, All American, girl, I'm from crying because of them. Like, it was so cute. Anywho, let me go wash my hair. For more details on how I did this hairstyle, you can check out the video linked up here. For skincare, it wasn't something that serious. I just wanted to apply some aloe vera gel as a face mask on my face. Aloe vera is very healthy, and as we all know, it's natural, so you expect nothing bad to come out of it, and it's soothing, but the smell is not pleasant. Yeah, that's the disclaimer I would put out there. I did these face massages with Arimis. You can use Vaseline. The massages are very simple but very, very helpful to your skin because they are going to increase blood circulation. So here are the nails. I love both of them, but I love this one more because it's more high quality than this G-nail. Actually, the G-nail was cheaper than the other ones, so I'm going to do these ones for today. I'm going to use this glue. So I'm just prepping my nails, pushing the cuticles, cutting the nails, buffing the nails, and then apply the nails. I'm done applying the nails, and this is how they look before I perfect their shape, and this is the final result after I made sure that this is the shape that I wanted. So cute. I loved how it was so simple to do this hairstyle. It was simple and quick, and it's very lightweight, and I can do so many different hairstyles with it. So guys, this is how the hair turned out, and this is how my nails turned out as well. Very cutesy, very demure. I love them. In case you're wondering, I'm in a grass field, so and to my cute outfit, this is thrifted. Very cute, thrifted, of course. These pants thrifted as well. Merry Christmas everyone, and a happy new year. Not just a happy one, but a blessed, a prosperous new year. Thank you so much guys for watching. Subscribe if you haven't. Let's hope that next year will be the best year for all of us and everything will go our way.